and stainless steel enclosures protect equipment from the toughest conditions. The RH feeder pillar is designed for protection, ease of use and durability, with an attached root for easy installation, including an open base and standard duct openings for feeding of cables. The pillar comes with a fitted backboard, ready to be populated with equipment. The hinged door gives easy yet secure access for installation and future maintenance. The RH pillar is protected from the outside by its sturdy stainless steel body, and protected from the inside with a door seal that compresses tightly, granting an ingress protection rating of 46 to the pillar. Fitted backboard and tri-key cam locks are standard, with different lock options to choose from. Root mounted with a clear berry to line for quick installation. The RH pillar is powder coated to a high gloss finish, available in 3 grades of steel: 4003, 304 and 316, and in different sizes to suit requirements. Its durable stainless steel construction and clever design make the RH pillar a robust solution with a 25-year guarantee.